I literally love these shows so much.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Aarati, and today is gonna be this video is gonna be one of my best videos because I love watching these kind of videos, and I have a bunch of recommendations on my phone right over here to tell you guys all about the Netflix shows that you guys have to binge watch during this quarantine. Now that we're not gonna go anywhere like anytime soon, I feel like, you know, we just can't keep watching the same shows again and again. So I've accumulated a bunch of shows over a period of time. I've started watching all these shows freshly from March, like from the day quarantine has started in India. So I'm gonna share I think I'm gonna share my fair share of series that you guys can watch. So if there are any other series that you guys would like me to watch, leave them in the comment section. I would love to watch them. And to be honest, so before going into the entire series and all of that, I'm gonna tell you guys I'm a huge rom-com fanatic, okay? So I cannot watch any dark, so any Game of Thrones or anything like that, I'm not gonna watch because I can't, I don't know why. I can physically not watch such kind of shows, and it kind of irritates me. I can't watch such kind of shows, so I'm not a fan of any dark series. I like watching something it's light, it's airy, something that makes me take my mind off my day. So yeah, I don't know why I wanted to wear this, and I'm sweating so bad. All this, you can see it's not highlighter. There's a little bit highlighter, but all of this is sweat because I am sweating so bad. And I just wanted to put this because this shirt kind of reminds me of you know, Netflix and chill vibes. So let's get started with the video. The intro is really long, so let's get started. I have a bunch of recommendations here on my phone, so I'm going to talk to you guys all about them. So let's go. Firstly, I want to talk to you guys the obvious. Okay, we have Friends, Two and a Half Men, How I Met Your Mother. These are like the obvious shows, okay? So apart from that, I want to talk to you guys about different shows. I will leave a couple of pictures over here, links in the description box. Go ahead, check them out. These are from across platforms, like from Hotstar, from Prime, from Netflix mostly. So let's get started. The first show that I have the first show that I recommend is Marlon. Oh my god, you guys, it's such a funny show. I cannot even, I think I watched like 3 times or 4 times. I think there are about 3 seasons or 2 seasons. They're very short seasons and like 20 minutes, 30 minutes episode, and it's amazing. It is such an amazingly light, airy serial that you guys have to watch. Go ahead and watch it if you guys did not watch it. I mean, you guys, it's next level. It's all about it's about a family wherein the mother and father are divorced, and they take a happy divorce, and I feel like it's super lightweight, super comedy, and I feel like, you know, it's something that you can just keep laughing and it'll just carry you around. The second show that I have is A Kim's Convenience. Oh my god, this is amazing. I think I have seen somebody put up a story and I started watching it, and I think I watched it. All these shows that I'm gonna tell you guys, recommend you guys, I watched them like 4 or 5 times, and that is how I know that these are worth watching. Kim's Convenience is super good. There is a little bit of drama in it, a little bit of family and all of that, but I feel like it's super fun. You can watch it. It's amazing to watch, and I feel like Janet is amazing, and I like the way his dad Kim, Janet's dad Kim, says Aish. I love that, Aish. It's so cute. I don't know why. I love the way he does that. And it's amazing. It's super cute. I love the romance between the mother and father. It's super adorable. I love it so much. Go ahead, check it out. And this is what you're gonna hear for the rest of the video, because I love, like, I literally love these shows so much. So make sure you watch it. The next one is from Prime. This is Elementary. Oh my god, this is like Sherlock Holmes. I think this is one of the this is one of the only dark, I'm not gonna say dark, but only series that I found a little different from my genre, and it's amazing. So this series is all about Sherlock Holmes and John Watson. It's super cool, but the only twist in this is the Watson is a female lead. Super good. I really like it. The episodes are a bit longer, they're 40 minutes. So, and I think there are 11 seasons or so, but it's amazing. It's a must watch. If you like Sherlock Holmes, you will love this. I'm telling you guys. The next one is One Day at a Time. It's from Netflix again, and oh my god, this is amazing. It's a cute Cuban movie, cute Cuban lifestyle movie sort of a series. Like, you guys get me, right? It's a cute Cuban home, like, you know, how people the immigration processes, what are the different ways they light up, and all of it's a very, very comedy. It's very cute. It's more like a comedy sort of a serial, and I love it so much. And you guys, the mother in that, I'm gonna leave a picture of both of them here. I mean, oh my god, the grandmother is amazing. She's to die for. I don't even know how she gets the energy to do that, especially this one episode wherein she gets dressed like a Cuban and she does the dance and all of that. It's amazing. I love it so much. So it's a must watch. Go ahead, check it out. The next movie I have is The Good Place. Now, Good Place is sort of it's a movie after it's a series after death. So it's like a sweet. I don't want to give away, because anything I talk about this movie, the series, I don't know why I keep saying movie. Anything I'm gonna talk about the series, I am really scared that I'm gonna give away the plot. It's amazing. Watch it. It's all about your life after death, and it's super. It's in a fun way. You have to get a grip over it. So watch 1-2 episodes, and you will love it so much. And I love the magic that happens in that place. It's amazing. It's simply super. I love it so much. I love it. I don't know what to tell you guys. I just love these shows just to watch them. The next show I have is Working Moms. Now, Working Moms is something that I really like. I started watching it just as a fluke, and I fell in love with the show. You can see the pros and cons of a working woman, working mom especially, and it's super. How do I say it as? If you're somebody who's married and who's actually trying to get a baby or conceive or all of that, I feel like you will relate a lot to this. I really like this show. The next one is definitely a Becoming. Now, Becoming is a series, is a movie. It's a movie, but it's a Netflix film that I watched about Michelle Obama and all of the hurdles she went through from the day Obama was elected president till today, and how she's run her life, how she's run her children's life, how she's empowered women all about the world, how other women have empowered her. It's amazing. I think this is the only Netflix film that I have in here. Leave me in the comment section down below if you guys want to check out the films on Netflix that you guys can binge watch. I will let you guys know about that as well. The next one is Last Man Standing. Now, it's one of the most homely series that I've watched. I think this is on Prime if I'm not wrong, but it's really good. I feel like it has a different unique perspective to it, to the series, and I feel like, you know, everybody can relate to it, and I really like this show, so go ahead, watch it. The next one is A Man with a Plan. Oh my god, the only reason I started watching this was for Joey, and oh my god, I love him so much. I really love him so much. So go ahead, watch it. It's an amazing series again. Man with a Plan is also super good. I really like it. That's pretty much what I like. There are basic shows that I want to tell you guys before ending. So the basic shows are definitely like Brooklyn Nine-Nine, New Girl, Never Have I Ever, Mom, You. Oh my god, You. Oh my god. The twist in that series is next level. I don't know how does he do that? Oh my god. I just started watching You because everybody was like raving about it, and I'm like, no, why not just get with the flow and watch. I was hooked for You. It's an amazing series that you guys have to definitely check. So those are all my recommendations, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to go ahead, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.